what percentage of the course is theoretical and practical. Okay, this is tech. Students always want to quantify a discussion.
Absolutely. Well, it all comes down to how you define theoretical and practical. I would say it's usually a 50-50 mix. We are intentional about making sure you understand the mathematical foundation. So, as a good example, I have office hours for Introduction to AI tonight, like 12 hours from now. We're going to be talking about the mathematical underpinnings of backpropagation. At the same time, we realize two things. One, this is an accelerated program, and so we want to focus on the parts of theory that we think are most relevant to the application. And two, for us, it's never just about learning about the theory. Theory has value when it serves an end. And so for us, we try to keep those two balanced. So teaching about backpropagation tonight, but we're also, for the homework assignment, building a deep learning algorithm that does image classification. So again, we try to keep it a 50-50 mix.